How to copy and share your Instagram link. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to copy and share your Instagram link. In order to copy and share your Instagram link, first thing first, update your application and log into your Instagram account. Now while you're on this page, go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner. Now there's no such way of getting an Instagram profile link directly, but you have to create it. For that, you need to go to your profile and tap the edit profile button. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see all of the information such as your contact details, your date of birth, your bio, and all that. Now you need to go ahead and copy your username. So tap on it for a while and then tap the cursor and select all, tap on it and click on the copy button. Once you've copied the particular username to your clipboard, now exit from your Instagram and open up a Google Chrome, and on the web address bar type in instagram.com. Once you type in instagram.com, just tap on the search bar and give it a slash. Now you need to paste in the particular username that you've recently copied. So paste in the username and just give in the arrow icon right in the corner. Once again, tap on the link from the top and tap on the copied button. So this is actually your Instagram profile link. So in order to share it, you can also do it directly from right of here. Just tap on the share button and select the media or the platform from where you actually want to do it. Now in my case, I'm just gonna share it on my WhatsApp, so I'm just gonna select the contact to whom I actually want to share it. So what you can do is just go ahead and open up the Instagram, and after that you can just go ahead and tap on the search bar, and here you can just go ahead and paste in the link that you recently copied. Tap the arrow icon, and as you can see, this is the particular Instagram profile link. So this is how you can copy as well as share on your Instagram link. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.